Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamasita. We are the home of Rate That Box. We do a lot, and I mean a lot of subscription box unboxings. And today is actually a seasonal subscription box, and I have unboxed it previously one time before, and I freaking loved every bit of it. This is called Decocrated, and this is the spring box. I am so excited for this box simply because I love home decor, but I really suck at decorating. Like, a lot of people come into my house and they're like, oh, I love how you decorate. You do such an awesome job. Thanks, but that is all Pinterest. Pinterest inspired. Because basically what I do is I go on Pinterest, I search what I want to decorate, whether it be my mantle, my dinner table, what have you, and I kind of copy it. I'm not original. It's hard for me to put pieces together. And that is why a box like Decocrated is awesome. Decocrated, check them out at decocrated.com. Seasonal stylish home decor delivered to your door, over $200 value for as low as $75 per box. And you are going to get 6 to 8 seasonally inspired home decor pieces delivered once per quarter, 4 times per year, and shipping is free in the US. And right now, you guys, if you do decide that Decocrated is something you want to check out for yourself, you can choose your free bonus box with the purchase of an annual subscription. So that is super awesome, but they are limiting the supplies on that deal. In addition, if you watch my video and you're like, oh my gosh, yes, I want to try this, but I'm not so sure I want to commit to the annual subscription, then I do have a code down below where you can save $15. So super awesome, super freaking awesome. So let's go ahead without further ado and unbox the Spring Decocrated. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It comes in this box. This is the box that arrives to your door. Last time it was orange, this time it's blue for spring, and it has little birds, little flowers on it. On the side it says seasonal and stylish, and spring 2022, and curated and timeless. And they do have a shop if you go on their website as well, where you can order additional pieces. There's an area for inspiration if you are trying to design a certain space and you have no idea where to start. They can help guide you through that as well. So opening up, welcome to springtime. This spring, we bring you the joy of the season, florals blooming and birds chirping. With new life comes a seasonal refresh with dark natural woods and dusty blues. Ooh, I love blue. As you all know, blue is my favorite color, so this is gonna be fun. Right off the top, they have an envelope. Here's what the box looks like inside. They've got a lot of different pieces inside. Decocrated, they've got a sticker, home decor delivered to your door. So listens, so they want your feedback on the home decor. They've got a hello spring and a little bird on the back. They've got exclusive offer just for decorators. And they have their booklet. And inside this booklet is a style guide, how to decorate with these particular pieces that are in the box, and the dimensions of each item. Opening it up. Okay, here we go. The first item is a table runner. One of my favorite things to decorate is my dining room table. I love putting different candles, different centerpieces, napkins and napkin rings, placemats, and here is a runner that I can definitely throw onto my table or my buffet table that sits behind my dining room table. So it's a khaki colored runner. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. It's like a khaki color. It looks more gray here in the light, but it is khaki with white stripes. Next item, it looks like we have a piece of floral decor. I'm guessing there's a vase or something to put this inside the box. We will see. Ooh, this is really soft. Very soft. Look at that. I love greenery too. This is super soft. We'll set that aside. Then we have some beads. I got beads in the last box as well. And how I decorated that was, I'm a big lantern girl. And I just so happened to get a lantern in my last box as well. I use the beads to kind of decorate around the top of the lantern. It looks super cool, super classy. So here is another set of beads. These are blue, like a sky blue, and then they have the burlap strings on the end. Super, super cute. And these could go on anything. You can wrap them around candles, lanterns like I did, on little trays, what have you. Whatever you want to do to put a pop of color. We've got some boxes inside. We've got a little box here. Let's open this up. It's got some styrofoam. Probably something maybe breakable. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at these. Aren't they adorable? Aren't they adorable? We got a bigger box, and then we also have one other box in the box. So 2 more boxes to open. Let's see. You guys excited? I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry. This has my heart. Oh my goodness. It's almost like a little bird cage. Look at this. Look at that. It is metal, and it's got a hook here so you can hang it if you wanted to. It's got 2 other pieces with it. Unwrap this. This must be the glass part of it. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, okay. It is a vase. Look at that. And then we've got our bottom of our stand for this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so it's a little tray stand. It is wood. I love the color of that wood. Isn't it beautiful? Then you put it on top like that. Isn't that cute? String your beads through the top and let them drape around like so. There's 2 of them attached, but you kind of get the idea if you wanted to do that. Or you could put them inside. That is super adorable. I love that. And then you got the vase, which you could definitely put these in there like that. And then we've got 1 more box to open. Where did I put it? Here we go. This one right here. What could it be? Isn't this so much fun, you guys? Like, I love this little hanger. Here we got a little hook. Some hooks here. You can hang whatever you want on there, whether it be little towels or whatever. Okay, so when you look inside, you can see that the different pieces in here that were included, and it gives you some ideas on how you can decorate using those pieces. See that? Look how they use the bird cage on this one. Isn't that so pretty? So it gives you ideas if you have no clue what to do with these items. It gives you ideas on how you can use these pieces in your house as well. So love that. All right, you guys, let's do a quick review and then we are going to rate this box. What I received in this spring box was the table runner, cute little birds, 2 birds, the hanger, the vase, and the floral piece. I've got the beads, a set of beads, and then the tray, and the bird type cage. Or if you wanted to just use this separately, you could use it for whatever you wanted as well. So all of those items, you guys, in the Decocrated Spring box, what did you think about this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below and think about how you would rate this box. When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being don't buy that box, or 10, yes queen, you need to buy this box. We rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, the way that it's packaged, the way that it's presented, including the booklet / informational sheet, card, what have you. We love to see a rundown of the items inside the box as well as the values if they have. And we also like to see the variety as well as the quality of the items inside the box. Let's go ahead and rate this Decocrated box. Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. I really, really enjoyed this box. So much fun. I loved the very first box that I received, and I probably loved it a little bit more simply because they had a lantern in it. I love lanterns. I collect lanterns. You're not going to ever top that box unless you include another lantern. Just saying. I really do think I'll be able to make use of almost everything in this box for sure. The only thing that I'm not so sure about is this hanger thingy. Not sure what I personally would use it for, but maybe if you received it in your box, you would be like, yes, I need one of those. So now we hit that drum roll, please. You guys ready? Drum roll, please. Decocrated. You are gonna get a rating of a 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. What'd you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section down below which item in this box would you most use. I'm super curious to hear your thoughts. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.